Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to lock a screen with Android 9, and here we have a Xiaomi phone, so I can't guarantee that everything works exactly like this, especially with different Android versions or with different phones, but I hope it will still I will still be able to help you a little bit. So usually, of course, the most common thing is to press the power button and it's off. So I have to make sure that face unlock works. So yeah, it did the job. So good so far. So there are other possibilities which are actually easier, and it's in the Play Store. There are apps like this. I zoom a little bit in so you can see that. Here we have the screen lock, one touch to lock screen from Simi Studio. Yeah, there are a lot of these apps around and they were working pretty well. I think probably until Android 8 or 9 or so. I don't know when it has changed. So here I have already the widget. So if you don't know how to add a widget, you can long press and then go to widget and look for this lock screen widget and then drag it to the place where you want to have it. So yeah, I click now on that, but the thing is it doesn't work right from here. The thing is that I have to give permission. And first they want me to select what type I want. Display on home screen. Yeah, that's good so far. And after that, you have the option to replace a lock with a short menu. No, I don't want to have a menu. I want to finish that. Okay. Please click on the advertising to continue. Yeah, I've never seen that. That's a little bit embarrassing. So I really have to click on that. So I don't do that. You never know what's behind the net. So that's completely no-go. It looks like they have changed this, but there are lock buttons or lock widgets around where you don't have to click on an ad, where you don't know if it will install a virus or something like that. This is the complete no-go here. I mean, click on an ad where you don't know what's behind. I mean, from the app, they don't have any control about what's behind the ad. It's, I mean, it's probably a Google ad and Google doesn't know what's behind. So, yeah, don't click on something like that. But anyway, even if you don't have to click on an ad, it will ask you for permission. So permission to read everything, read the screen, and so on and so on. There will be at least 2 warnings from your smartphone before you can use that. So I don't, that's the reason why I don't use that. I will definitely uninstall this thing. I don't use that. What you can do, I don't know if this is a general thing or just a thing from Xiaomi. Unfortunately, I'm not sure about that. But here at least we can go to the in the settings to the additional settings, and then from here we go to the button and gesture shortcuts, and here we have the turn off screen. So at the moment it's as a default long press back button, but you can override that. You can use the long press home screen, but usually it's Google. So here I left it on long press to the back button. The back button is here, so we long press and screen is off. For me, that's easier than long press here, and that's definitely more security than a widget which asks you to click on any kind of ad. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.